Good morning, dear students. This is the back exercise questions of chapter 5 Operators in Java. Part A is already over, and now we have part B short questions. And today I am going to explain question number 6, which is write a program to print volume of a sphere. So, this program we have to write in Java. So, we will use some variables in this program, and we will use an expression in Java. So that expression will find out the volume of sphere, it will calculate the volume of sphere, and then finally we will print that volume. So let's see how we can make this program in Java. So here I have written the program. Write a program to find the volume of a sphere. Before writing this program, you must know the formula or the mathematical equation to calculate volume of a sphere. So that is given here. Volume of sphere can be calculated by using this equation, that is volume equal 4 over 3 into pi into r cube. So with the help of this equation you can find out the volume of a sphere. Here first line is a comment line, and in the comment line I have written program to print volume of a sphere. Then we will make a class. So public class name I have taken volume. You can take any name as per your choice. Class body started. Within the class we have this main method, that is public static void main. String arguments, these are the command line arguments for the main method. Main method body is here, so main method is started. Inside the main method we have taken three variables for storing data of a double data type. Double is taken because the volume can be calculated or volume can be in points. So that's why we have taken double data type for the volume, for the pi, and for radius. Because pi can be in points, radius can be in points, and the volume will be in points. So that's why we have taken double data type. To calculate the volume of sphere, firstly we need radius. So radius I have taken here 2.8. You can take any value of a radius. Then we have the value of pi. Value of pi you can take 3.14, or you can write an expression 22 over 7, means 22.0 is a double value, 7.0 is also a double value. So we will divide these and the result automatically will come 3.14 something, and that will be the value of pi. Next we have the equation for finding the volume of sphere. According to the equation I have written 4 over 3. So 4.0 is a double value, 3.0 is double, into pi into r cube. R cube you can write like this, r into r into r 3 times. Then put semicolon. So this equation is for calculating the volume of sphere in Java. So firstly brackets will be evaluated, 4 over 3 will be evaluated, then r cube will be evaluated, then they will be multiplied with pi, and the result will be stored in vol variable. Then we have next line, that is system.out.println. So this line will print the volume. So here we have printed a message, volume of sphere is colon plus wall. So the value of volume variable will be printed as a volume of a sphere. So here I will show you this program, and you can also see its output.